Hi, welcome to Friday Fabric Finds. Today is Friday, February the 23rd. I'm Mitchell, I'm a manager here at Flora Fabric Studio.
And I'm Justin, I'm a photographer and a product adder.
This is a little series that we like to do where we show you everything on the Friday newsletter and then also show you it in our warehouse too. With that being said, let's get started. To start off, once again, today is Friday, meaning we have a new Friday bundle. This one is called Dried Flowers. It is a 6-piece fat quarter bundle. It's priced at $22.96. This fat quarter bundle has lots of florals and neutral colors, meaning brown, greens, and white, with geometric prints such as dots, squares, and stars, featuring Love Struck from Moda Fabrics.
Next, we have Naturel from Wilmington Prints. This collection features the yardage as well as 108-inch wide quilt backings. We have 10-inch squares, 5-inch squares, 2.5-inch strips, and we have 2 quilt kits. We have Naturel quilt kits as well as Soundwaves quilt kits. This collection has florals and foliage designs and soft colors such as purple, green, and ivory. It's a very beautiful collection, so make sure you go check this one out.
Next, we got Urban Vibes from Northcott. With this, we have the full collection. We also have 108-inch wide backing. We have 10-inch squares, and we have a Rush quilt kit. This group has a bold array of circles, dots, stripes, and squares, and all modern-looking designs. The color palette of this group would be teal, black, white, gray, and rust. This sort of gives me the vibe of a lot of things going on, like a city, an extra vibrant, energetic city, you know, a lot of things going on. If this interests you at all, be sure to go check this out in the newsletter.
Next, we have Flora No. 6 from Riley Blake Designs. This collection features the full collection yardage as well as 36-inch panels, fat quarter bundles, 10-inch stackers, 5-inch stackers, and the Keep Blooming panel quilt kits. This collection has watercolor florals in a sort of bright and happy color palette of pinks, yellows, greens, and blues. Definitely go check that out.
I'd also say it looks kind of very spring type of vibes I get from it, because it's very light colors with a lot of florals. So you could also use this in like a lighter colored maybe spring kit that you might be working on, who knows. Next, we have Sweet Freedom, designed by Beverly McColl for Riley Blake. We have the full yard collection. We have 36-inch panels, we have patterns, we have 108-inch wide quilt backing, fat quarter bundles, 10-inch stackers, 5-inch stackers, and 2 quilt kits. One of them called the American Vintage Panel Quilt Kit, and the other is called the Sweet Freedom Boxed Quilt Kit. This is a very patriotic group with prints of fireworks, barns, summer flowers, all in a color palette of red, white, and blue. Just your typical USA color scheme, you could say.
Next, we have a sale on the Destination Indonesia Fat Quarter Bundles. The original price is $59.96, but after the sale, it is $34.96.
$20 off?
For sure, for sure. This is a Batiks collection with a cool colorway of green, blue, yellow, and brown. Check it out while supplies last.
Next, we have Spring Barn Quilts from Riley Blake. For this group, we have the full collection. We have 36-inch panels, patterns, fat quarter bundles, 10-inch stackers, and the Spring Barn Panel Boxed Quilt Kit. This group features a lot of farm animals, barns, windmills, barnwood, and quilt blocks like pinwheels, half-square triangles, and a color palette of green, parchment, red, teal, yellow, and black. So if anything, I guess, farm-related strikes your interest, make sure to go check this group out.
Next, we have Turtle March from Henry Glass Fabrics. This collection features the assorted yardage, 24-inch panels, and the Turtle March quilt kits. This is a beach-themed group with turtles, seagulls, ferns, clouds, sand, and the ocean, in a color palette of blue, creams, and sand. This collection sort of reminds me of when turtles get hatched, they start marching themselves to the ocean. If you're in need of any ocean-themed group, check this one out.
Next, we got our February bargains. As you've seen in our past videos, maybe not if this is your first video. This is a section on our website where we add things to it every day. This could be things of remnants. It could be things of small pieces we have left. You could have some notions in there. We never know. It's always changing, always updating. It is updated daily, as I said. So if you're wanting any sale items, make sure to go check out the February bargains.
Last thing we wanted to talk about is we wanted to highlight the January 2024 FWFS Sewscription Box. This is the box only. It's not the subscription, but let's say you missed out on the January subscription box and you wanted to grab yourself one of those. We are selling it. However, we don't have a whole lot left. Make sure you hurry and head over to our website before we run out.
I want to reiterate this. This is not the subscription itself, meaning you are not signing up and getting the next few boxes and getting charged per month on that. This is just the box by itself. I think that's going to do it this week for our Friday Fabric Finds. Thank you for checking us out. If you enjoyed this video, please hit that that like. You can subscribe, comment. If you're on TikTok or Instagram, you can once again leave any comments, like this video. Whatever you like to do, that would help us tremendously. But other than that, we'll see you next week. Thanks for watching.